Ever pondered over the magic that air fryers bring to your kitchen? Or perhaps wondered how they turn your favorite meals into crispy, golden delights with less oil? Today we delve into the world of air fryers, specifically focusing on the COSORI Air Fryer Oven Pro 2, a culinary innovation packed with features that will revolutionize your cooking experience. At the heart of the COSORI air fryer is the AdaptIQ technology. This feature rapidly circulates air at 360 degrees, heating your food quickly and evenly. This technology not only saves you time but also provides your meals with that desirable crispy texture, ensuring that every bite is a delight. One of the standout features of the COSORI air fryer is its 12 one-touch cooking functions. From steak to seafood, French fries to vegetables, this air fryer has a preset for every craving. And if you're in the mood for some toast or perhaps a baked treat, worry not. The COSORI air fryer has got you covered. But what if you have a specific cooking preference or a secret family recipe that you'd like to recreate? Well, the COSORI air fryer steps up here too. It allows you to customize and save the time and temperature of any preset. Furthermore, you can add or remove a personal shake reminder, tailoring the cooking process to your liking. The COSORI air fryer is not just about functionality, it's about capacity too. The square 5.8-quart baskets are designed to serve 3 to 5 people, perfect for family dinners or small gatherings. They can even fit a whole 5-pound chicken, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. To spark your culinary creativity, the COSORI air fryer comes with a cookbook featuring over 100 chef-created recipes. So whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, this air fryer is ready to inspire you with delicious, healthy meals. In summary, the COSORI Air Fryer Oven Pro 2 is a culinary game-changer, offering a blend of technology, versatility, and customization. With its AdaptIQ technology, 12 one-touch cooking functions, and customization options, it promises a superior cooking experience. Its large capacity ensures you can cook for your family and friends, while the included cookbook provides a wealth of culinary inspiration. So, why wait?